Well, good afternoon or evening, I should say. We're at the end of the first day of 3 days of the European Rover Challenge 2024, the 10th anniversary edition, here on Mars, here in Krakow in Poland. And I always say it, and I'll say it again, what a day it was. It was a day filled with not one, but 3 events. And I tried to cover as much as I could. The competition is taking place here. This is the main event here on the Mars Yard, and I'll be talking a little bit about that later on. We went to the exhibit today. I don't know if you saw it on the live stream, but we did a tour of the exhibit and showcased some of the exhibitors here. So again, the weather is gorgeous. If you are here in Krakow in Poland this weekend, join us. Come here, watch the competition, see the exhibitors, and join the International Space Conference that is taking place here. And we saw a few highlights. We talked this morning about lots of different things. We started to talk about Earth space sustainability, looking at the future of a sustainable space in relationship to a sustainable Earth. We talked about the role of artificial intelligence, a key word in the space industry, as it is in all industries nowadays. We had a panel where we talked about natural intelligence versus artificial intelligence. Very interesting stuff. Opportunities. I say it at many space events, but here as well, opportunities is a key word. Opportunities that the space industry is offering for students. We talked about the ESA Academy, about enhancing skills. We talk about opportunities for entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurship was and is an important theme here at the European Rover Challenge, as it is in many space conferences nowadays. Innovation, funding, everything relevant to this new space economy here in Europe, but really around the world. I said it in the live stream and I'll say it a few times more. The European Rover Challenge is a global rover challenge taking place in Europe. We see teams from around the world, so this event really represents the best that space robotics has to offer from all over the world. And we had a very fun and very important panel at the end of the first day, instead of what is often happening at the end of the last day, as Łukasz Wilczynski, the moderator for this panel, said, where we talked about the relevance of marketing, PR and communication. How do we tell the stories of space to an international audience? How do we tell the story from a US point of view, from a European point of view, but really space is for everyone? And how do we bring that message across to societies all around the world? The opportunities I talked about, the opportunities for children to have a future career in space, for students now to participate in events like this, for entrepreneurs, really for everyone. Space or non-space. And non-space is a word that you hear more and more in the space industry, where we really talk about how space integrates into all these other fields of society. And space is becoming an integral part of everything. Łukasz mentioned it in his speech. Space is a horizontal industry that really impacts all other industries, all parts of global society. So that was a great way to end in a panel together with Shelley Brunswick and Janet Ivey, known from Janet's Planet, and Łukasz Wilczynski. I was really honored to be among those communicator powerhouses, if you like, to really talk about the relevance of communication. So with that, I'm going to end. Follow everything that's happening about the European Rover Challenge under hashtag ERC2024, and of course tune into the live stream again tomorrow morning from 10 o'clock Polish time onwards at roverchallenge.eu. We broadcast to several social media channels, so roverchallenge.eu will tell you where you can best follow what's going on here. I'll be hosting part of the live stream again tomorrow and Sunday, and of course I'll do my videos here. So for now, a very good evening from a warm Krakow in Poland, and I'm looking forward to seeing you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.